means in one bag contain 24 kg 500 gram sugar, and you have to find how 224 bag contain how much sugar. So they have given one bag contain this amount of sugar, and you have to find that 224 bag contain how much sugar. So firstly convert these 24 kg 500 gram into grams. You know how to change. So when you change 24 kg 500 gram into gram, 24 into 1000 plus 500, that is 24,000 plus 500, that is 24,500. okay, so then multiply with 224. When you multiply it with 224, the answer is 5,48,000, sorry 54,88,000. So again convert into kg. So when you convert into kg, divide with 1000, so it means 5488 kg. okay, that is 5448 kg. Now see the next one, fourth word problem. Ram has 520 currency notes of 20 rupees each. How much money does he have? Means they have given that Ram has 20 rupees, no, 520 currency notes. okay, how much currency notes? 520, but each currency notes of 20 rupees each, and you have to find the money. okay, so you can write 20 rupees currency notes is equal to 520. Total money you can multiply with 520 with 20. So when you multiply it with, answer is 10,400. okay, so how much money Ram has? That is 10,400. Now see to the next one, fifth one. A basket contains 228 apples. Find the total number of apples in such 325 basket. Means one basket contains 228 apples, and you have to find the number of apples in 325 baskets. okay, now see, you can write one basket is equals to 228 apples. 325 basket is equals to, you can multiply 228 with 325. So the answer is 74,100. okay, now see to the sixth one. The weight of an iron ball is 2 kg 550 gram. You have to find the weight of such 12 iron balls. Means they have given the weight of one iron ball, and you have to find the weight of such 12 iron balls. First you can write the weight of one iron ball is 2 kg 550 gram. Then weight of 12 iron balls, that is, you can multiply 2 kg 550 gram with 12. First you can change this into gram. okay, how you can change? 2 kg 550 is there, when you convert into gram, multiply it with 1000. This is already given in the gram, so add this. So 2000 plus 500, so answer is 25,000, sorry 2550. okay, so multiply with 12. The answer, when you multiply with 12, the answer is 30600, that is 30,600. So again convert into kg, and when you convert into kg, you can divide with the 1000. okay, so answer is our, when you divide with 1000, here what come point, that is this both 0 cut with 0 and 1 0 left. Here what come 30.6, means 30 kg 6 gram, and you can write also here zeros. So 30 kg 600 gram is the answer. Now next, seventh one. In the seventh one, they have given the capacity of bucket is 8 kg 500 gram, and find the capacity of such 75 buckets. means they have given the capacity of a bucket and you have to find the capacity of such 75 buckets. Means you can write capacity of a bucket is 8 kg 500 gram. Capacity of such 75 bucket is 8500. You can convert this into gram and then multiply with 75. When you multiply with 75, answer is 6,37,500. So when you divide it with 1000, it you can convert into kg. So answer is 637 kg 500 gram. Now come to the next one, 8th one. How many passengers are there in 325 buses if each bus has 59 passengers? Means they have given in each bus how many passengers are there? 59, and you have to find the passengers in 325 buses. Now see, you can write passenger in each bus is 59, then write passengers in 325 buses, means you can multiply 59 with 325, and when you multiply, the answer is 19,175 passengers. Thanks.